Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I have a D stash for you. Coming right up. If you like the color purple and you like hummingbirds, you will absolutely love, did you hear me? You will love this canvas. As you know, I need to downsize a little bit, and this one I think has to go. I think there's someone else out there that would love to do this. I'm trying to get mystery paintings, guys. I really like mystery canvases. So if you know of a really cool, colorful mystery canvas, let me know what you got. Because I still have another canvas that no one knows I have that I might be willing to trade for it, but I'm not saying. I'm actually going to go through the DAC mystery group and write down the numbers of mysteries that I want. And it will happen within the month. I will announce my trade. And I really hope someone out there can trade a mystery for this very sought out unicorn. Yep, nobody knows I have it except one person. Yep. All right, but today is not about that. Today is about Hummingbirds and Hydrangeas by Donna Gelsinger. It's a 25.6 by a 34.3 inch or a 65 centimeters by 86.9 centimeters. It has 69 colors for a total of 91,089 square drills. This is what it is. I've unboxed this one before, but I'm doing it again. So let's look at it. Oh, this is the bottom. This one's a pretty long one. Yeah, it is. All right. Well, you know how I do this, guys. I'm going to flip it around. So I really think this is one that's going to come alive once you put the drills on it. But as you can see, it's really long. It's probably about the same as my Bountiful Voyage, maybe a little bit shorter, but I think if that's your cup of tea, you're going to love it. Okay. So this kit has got one 6,000 drill, 3 ABs, and 3 fairy dust drills. So I think this is gonna be, it's gonna have plenty. And the 6,000 drill is gonna be a purple in the hydrangeas. And the plus sign, which is a fairy dust, will be in the hydrangeas as well. Where's my hand? Okay, opposite side. So it's going to be right in here. and all the hydrangeas. And then, of course, you got the antenna. And that one is going to go. I wonder if it's going to be in the bird. So what special drills are going to be in these birds? We got a W. W green is going to be in the birds. The do not enter sign, the plus sign. Some of the birds, not all of the birds, will have different sparkle to them. Nice. So your hydrangeas are going to pop. Bits of the bird will pop. It's going to be pretty. Let me roll this up. Show you. And it does have the perforated paper. And it is in gray. And it's not on the canvas. Which is important because if you're going to sell a product and have the gray lines appear on the canvas, you should be able to replace it for said customer. That's one thing I really am. That's a me thing though. It comes with a bronze card if you want it. It is a bronze. And there is a toolkit. And your colors. Now, as you can see, I've circled them, which means I have verified them. The fact that it's in a baggie means I've already inventoried the colors as well. So I like to do that for kits that I know I'm going to complete. And I really thought I was going to do this one, but I'm not. I'm not going to do this one. That's why I inventoried it to make sure it was all good. And it is all good. So here are your colors. All 69 of them. And here are your drills. Okay. Got this one. Pretty. So I don't see any special drills here. Here is a fairy dust. Oh, I think I see a 6,000. Nope, that's a 155. Here's an AV. Okay. Here we go. Here is some purple AVs. Pretty yellows, more purple. 2 bags of 209. 3 bags of 712. Not bad colors. But I just, oh my goodness. 3865 has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. And here is our 6,000 drill. It's a cross speed. It's a purple. Here is our green AB. 2 bags of $37.56. I love this color. It's like I get a sense of a cold chill, like a mint, looking at this color. I feel like it gives a cold sensation. I'm weird, I know. Two bags of $4.70. 2 bags $2.08. 2 bags of our another fairy dust here, the blue. I think it's Z341. And I'm showing you all these colors because I don't have to squeeze them in a thing. 2 bags of 936, 500, and a 340. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And you get, this is a toolkit I'm throwing in there. It's a small one. I don't have a large one, but the small one will work. It's got your bag of baggies, a pen, and your goodies inside. So I'm not going to open that. You all know what's in the toolkit. If you do not want the treasure quest card, just let me know. I would like to keep it if you don't want it. I know it's only a bronze, but it's okay. So if you want it, you can have it. Just let me know. All right, this is hummingbirds and hydrangeas. It's a 25.6 inch and by a 34.3 inch or a 65 centimeter by an 86.9 centimeter by Donna Gelsinger. Make me an offer plus shipping. It's a big canvas and it's going to be heavy. I'm thinking $21 for shipping, but if you're a regular, I will, if I've sent to you before, then I will send it out and get you an exact postage for weight. All right, you have a wonderful day. If not, it's 21 in shipping plus whatever you offer me. Have a wonderful day. Go pamper yourself with these cute little hummingbirds. Have a wonderful day and be kind to everyone. Bye.